One of our moms saw this Maoi head tissue box on TikTok and immediately decided that she needed 2 of them, and she was not joking. So we found the STL on Printables and ordered 2 rolls of Bambu Lab PLA marble filament. We sliced 1 each for our Bambu Lab P1S and X1 Carbon. They both finished around the same time, and then we had to remove the supports.
It's got some boogies.
Once they were ready, we gave the one to Mom and she absolutely loved it, so she gave the second one to her coworker.
It is.